Yeah. Late night calling,
Your voice on the line,
moonlight falling,
while your hand touching mine.
every heartbeat moving slow like the tide.
You pull me closer, and the whole world quiets tonight. Silk on my skin when you look in my eyes. Your love got me floating somewhere in the sky. No rush, no pressure, just staying awake, listening to the little promises we make. Candles burning low beside the bed. You kiss every fear out my head, and every second feels like a dream. Nothing in this world comes close to what you mean. Stay right here, don't disappear. Your touch got my soul uncovered when you hold me near. Everything clear, I never knew a love like this existed.
Love me slow till the sunrise glows. Keep me warm when the midnight cold.
Every whisper turning into gold. Baby, your heart feels like home. We move close with the rhythm low. Two souls dancing where the soft wind blows. Every moment got me losing control. Baby, your heart feels like
You got the type of love that settle my mind.
even when the world rough, you bring me peace every time. You smile like the darkness wherever we go, and your body language saying things words never show. You know I'm addicted to the way you care. Every little conversation got me caught in your stare. And when the night deep, we ain't got to pretend, cause real love like this never got an ending.
Your energy pure, I can feel it in waves. Every touch from you got me falling for days.
And every little moment keeps pulling me in, like the ocean pulling softly against my skin.
No games, no lies, no running away.
Just two hearts beating in the same place.
Love me slow till the sunrise glows.
Keep me warm when the midnight cold. Every whisper turning into gold. Baby, your heart feels like home. We move close with the rhythm low. Two souls dancing where the soft wind blows. Every moment got me losing control. Baby, your heart feels like home. Stay with me till the stars grow dim. Hold me close, let the night begin. One touch and the feeling flows. Real love never loses glow. Fade away with the speakers low. Your heartbeat moving with my soul. And even when the morning comes, I still feel you in my lungs.
Yeah.
Your love got the room glowing different tonight.
Slow motion feeling when you hold me tight.
Nothing else matters when you're next to me.
Soft lights flicker on your skin tonight. Every little touch got my body hypnotized. You say my name like a secret melody. And I feel your heartbeat matching perfectly with me. No distance when your arms around my waist. Every kiss got a sweetness I can taste. The air heavy with emotion in the dark. You keep it light in every corner of my heart. Don't let go, stay this close. I can hear forever in your breathing. When you move slow, my soul unfolds. Every second got my whole world spinning. Take your time loving me tonight. Wrap your passion all around my mind. Every whisper sounds so heavenly. Baby, you're the rhythm inside me. Hold me close till the sunrise burns. Every touch got my whole soul turned. Lost in the heat of your energy. Baby, you're the rhythm inside me. Your eyes got a fire that I can't explain. Every conversation washing over me like rain. You give me peace while the night keeps spinning. And every moment with you feels like winning. I don't need diamonds shining in the light. Your love alone make everything feel right. And when you lean into my chest so slow, that's the kind of feeling every real man wants to know. You pull me deeper every time we touch, and I never knew love could feel this much. Every late night drive, every quiet stare, make me realize nobody else compares. No fear, no games, just
lost in perfect harmony. Take your time loving me tonight. Wrap your passion all around my mind. Every whisper sounds so heavenly. Baby, you're the rhythm inside me. Hold me close to the sun. Bright burns. Every touch got my whole soul turned. Lost in the heat of your energy. Baby, you're the rhythm inside me. Slow dancing while the city sleeps. Your love, the only thing I need. And when the morning light appears, I still feel your atmosphere. Forever starts whenever you're near. That's the kind of love keeping me here.
You got that look in your eyes again tonight.
Like you already know what my heart wants.
Yeah.
Velvet curtains and the stereo low. Your fingertips moving slow on my soul. Every little glance got me weak in the knees. Like the air between us carrying heat. You lean closer while the night unfolds. Your voice soft like a song untold. And every second wrapped inside your arms feels safer than anywhere beyond. Don't stop now, love me out loud. Every touch got me caught in emotion. Right somehow, you calm me down. Like waves pulling me into the ocean. Give me that sweet love after dark. That kind of feeling leaving permanent marks. Every heartbeat sounding like a melody. Baby, you're everything I need. Slow wine under the city lights. Your body language talking all night. Every kiss got me falling deeper in. Baby, let this moment never end.
You got elegance mixed with passion and fire. Every move from you take me higher and higher. And when you whisper close against my skin, that's when the real temptation begin. No pretending when I'm holding you tight. Everything about us feeling naturally right. You bring calm through the storm in my brain. That's why I keep running back again. And I swear every night with you feels brand new.
Like the moon itself shining only for two. Love this pure is hard to explain, but your touch got my soul untamed. Late night conversations till the sunrise glow. That's the kind of vibe only real lovers know. And every little moment keeps pulling me near. Like your heartbeat singing directly in my ear. No rush, just passion flowing naturally. Two hearts lost in perfect harmony. Give me that sweet love after dark. That kind of feeling leaving permanent marks. Every heartbeat sounding like a melody. Baby, you're everything I need. Slow wine under the city lights. Your body language talking all night. Every kiss got me falling deeper in. Baby, let this moment never end. Stay while the night moves slow. I don't wanna let this feeling go. Every touch from you feels so complete. Like destiny finally dancing with me. And when the morning calls our names, we'll still burn with the very same flame.
Ooh, yeah.
Late night love, slow fire. Only you take me higher. Your candles flicker while the speakers play low. Your hands on my waist moving nice and slow. Every little kiss got me losing control. Boy, your love touching deep in my soul. Silk sheets tangled under moonlight glow. Outside cold, but your body feel like home. You look at me like I'm all that you need. And right there my heart starts to believe. No pressure, no games tonight. Just your heartbeat next to mine. Every word you say feels true. Like the stars were made for me and you. Wine on my heart, stay close to me. Love so sweet like a melody. Every moment feels so right. Dancing with you through the night. Hold me tighter, don't let go. Your reflection moving slow. Every touch
flow, and every conversation healing my pain. Sunshine after all of the rain. You make peace feel easy to find, like your love redesign my mind. And I could travel every sea,
still no one compared to your beauty. Late drives underneath city lights, talking about forever all through the night. No pretending when I look in your eyes. I see real love staring back at mine.
though distance could break this flame.
Every day I feel the same. If forever had a sound, it would be us right now. Wine on my heart, stay close to me. Love so sweet like a melody. Every moment feels so right. Dancing with you through the night. Hold me tight, I don't let go. Your affection moving slow. Every touch got sparks that start when you wind up on my heart. Soft whispers underneath blue skies. Your reflection shining in my eyes. If this is dreaming, let me stay lost in your love till break of day. And even when the morning comes, you still feel like my favorite song. Ain't nothing stronger than what we share. True romance floating through the air. Wine on my heart, stay close to me. Love so sweet like a melody. Every moment feels so right. Dancing with you through the night. Hold me tight, I don't let go. Your affection moving slow. Every touch got sparks that start when you wind up on my heart. Slow dancing till the sunrise beams. Loving you inside my dreams. Pure connection from the start. You keep winding on my heart.
Yeah, midnight love in the air tonight. Everything feeling so natural.
So beautiful.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Rose gold skies fading into blue. All I really want tonight is you. Music floating through the candlelight. Body swaying in the quiet night. Your fingertips writing poetry. Every touch pulling closer to me. And when you whisper softly in my ear, every doubt disappears.
You move like waves against the shore, making me crave your love even more. No rushing when we're skin to skin. Feels like heaven slowly settling in.
Stay right here, don't say goodbye. I get lost inside your eyes. Every second holding you feels too perfect to be true.
Slow down motion, loving so deep. Your heart beating underneath me.
Every rhythm, every spark,
pulling me into your arms.
moonlight glowing on your face. Nothing else could take your place. When you hold me close like this, every night feels like our first kiss.
Yeah, girl, your elegance beyond compare. Magic floating through the air. And every time you call my name, my whole world never stays the same.
Long walks while the city is asleep. Conversations that we always keep. No pretending when I'm with you. Everything between us real and true.
You bring calmness to my soul. Somehow make a broken heart feel whole. And even silence sounds complete whenever you lying next to me.
No fear when your love surrounds. You lift me up when I feel down. Every dream start making sense since your love became my confidence.
Slow down motion, loving so deep. Your heart beating underneath me.
Every rhythm, every spark,
pulling me into your arms.
moonlight glowing on your face. Nothing else could take your place. When you hold me close like this, every night feels like a first kiss.
Soft rain falling on the rooftop now.
Still your warmth, the only thing I found.
No matter where this life may go,
You're the only love I wanna know.
and if the night could last forever, I will stay with you together. Cause what we built too rare to lose, a perfect vibe between us two. Slow got motion, loving so deep, your heart beating underneath me.
Every rhythm, every spark,
pulling me into your arms.
moonlight glowing on your face. Nothing else could take your place. When you hold me close like this, and every night feels like our first kiss.
Slow dancing to the morning light,
Holding on to you all night.
pure romance, pure emotion,
Living in the slow down motion.
yeah. Your love got the whole night glowing. Slow vibes,
Sweet
feelings. Yeah. Blue lights
shining through the bedroom blinds. You pull me near and everything aligns. No need for words when your hands speak first. You calm every fear, quench every thirst.
soft kisses lingering on my skin, like your love already living within. Every breath between us feels brand new, like destiny designed me for you.
You make the darkness feel like gold, a warm kind of magic I can hold. And every second wrapped in your embrace, feel like heaven found a hiding place.
No clock ticking when you're around,
Only our hearts making sound,
floating somewhere far above,
drifting in the waves of love. Sweeter than the moonlight falling down. Your affection got me spinning around. Every touch got fire in the dark, leaving gentle echoes on my heart.
Stay beside me till the morning comes.
So wrapped together while the city hums. Nothing in this world feels more right than your love holding me tonight.
Your energy smooth like rain, wash away every ounce of pain. And when you lean your head on me, that's the closest thing to peace I see. Late night drives with the ocean breeze, simple moments bringing me ease. No diamonds could ever outshine the way you're so naturally combined with mine.
You make forever sound believable, something rare and unforgettable. And every day I'm loving deeper still, like my heart finally found its will.
No fear living in this vibe,
True emotions we can't hide.
every dream feels so complete
Whenever our two hearts meet, sweeter than the moonlight falling down. Your affection got me spinning around. Every touch got fire in the dark, leaving gentle echoes on my heart. Stay beside me till the morning comes, wrapped together while the city hums. Nothing in this world feels more right than your love holding me tonight.
slow dancing,
Underneath soft rain,
calling.
softly on your name.
If forever starts
Somewhere, I know it's happening right here.
even when the sunrise glows,
Still never wanna let you go.
cause every moment that we share
Feel like a dream floating through the air. Sweeter than the moonlight falling down. Your affection got me spinning around. Every touch got fire in the dark, leaving gentle echoes on my heart. Stay beside me till the morning comes, wrapped together while the city hums. Nothing in this world feels more right than your love holding me tonight.
late night,
Whisper, bodies close,
only us.
in the afterglow. Your romance, your delight, your love stay with me all night.
Yeah.
Soft nights, warm hearts,
Only you and me tonight.
city lights fade when you pull me near. Every little
little touch makes the world disappear. No rush, no pressure, just you and I, lost in the rhythm as time goes by.
You got that calm in the way you move, like every heartbeat falling in tune. And when you smile, I forget the past, like this moment was made to last.
Your love speak louder than anything said, filling my thoughts when I lay in bed. Every breath feel like poetry when you're right here close to me.
Don't let the moment slip away.
Stay right here with me, don't fade.
Everything I need is in your eyes,
underneath these endless skies. Nyam divide, take me higher. Your love burning like a slow fire. Every touch got me feeling right. Hold me close through the night. Nyam divide, don't let go. Only you can make me glow. In your arms I come alive.
Baby, let's just
Nyam divide.
Girl, you stepping in a different lane. Every move drive me insane. You bring peace to my restless mind, something real and hard to find.
Nights cruising, windows down, only your voice the sweetest sound. And I don't need a crowded place, just your love and your embrace.
You make simple feel like gold stories only we can hold. And every second with you near, erase all doubt, erase all fear.
No distance when you call my name. Every night I feel the same.
Your love hit me deep inside,
like a wave I cannot hide. Nyam divide, take me higher. Your love burning like a slow fire. Every touch got me feeling right. Hold me close through the night. Nyam divide, don't let go. Only you can make me glow. In your arms I come alive.
baby, let's just
Nyam divide.
stay and meet the morning break.
Say,
Every promise that we make
feel
so real, feels so true. Nothing else compares to you.
and if the world stopped turning round, I would still hold you down. Cause what we have can't be replaced. It's written all over your face. Nyam divide, take me higher. Your love burning like a slow fire. Every touch got me feeling right. Hold me close through the night. Nyam divide, don't let go. Only you can make me glow. In your arms I come alive.
Baby, let's just
Nyam divide,
slow.
fade into the night. So deep, you and me, no need to speak. Just love, just like forever. In this young divide.
Yeah. Soft lights, slow heartbeat, just you and me in this moment. Yeah. You walking and the silence changes shape. Every worry in my mind starts to fade. Like the world outside don't exist no more. When you're standing right beside my door. Your eyes got that language I understand. No need to explain where we began. Every touch feels natural, true, like my soul already knew you. And I don't need a perfect plan, just your hand inside my hand. Time slows down when you're around. In your love I always get found. Stay close, don't drift away. I want you here every day.
Nothing else can feel this real. Only you know how I feel.
We ride this rhythm on forever.
Your love and mine together. Every beat, every sound keeps my heart spinning round. No distance, no divide. Just you right by my side. In this rhythm we believe. You're the air I need to breathe.
Girl, you bring calm into my storm. Your presence always keeps me warm, and every time you say my name, nothing ever feels the same.
Late nights talking on repeat. Your voice is like a melody, sweet. No luxury could ever replace the peace I find in your embrace. You make love feel effortless, like something pure, nothing less. And I don't care what tomorrow brings, as long as your heart still sings with mine.
No fear when you hold me tight, everything just
Feels right. If this moment never ends, I would choose you again. We ride this rhythm on forever. Your love and mine together. Every beat, every sound keeps my heart spinning round. No distance, no divide, just you right by my side. In this rhythm we believe, you're the air I need to breathe.
Even if the stars fall down, I still want you around. Every second feels like gold. In your arms I feel home.
And if the world turns cold and gray, I still won't walk away. Cause what we built can't break apart. It's written deep inside my heart. We ride this rhythm on forever. Your love and mine together. Every beat, every sound keeps my heart spinning round. No distance, no divide, just you right by my side. In this rhythm we believe, you're the air I need to breathe. Slow fade, but love stays strong. With you is where I belong. Endless night, endless sky, just you and I. Just you and I.
Yeah. No rush tonight,
Just you, just me, just love. Soft glow coming through the window pane. Your presence washing away the pain. Every second feels like a movie scene, where you and I live in between. You touch my hand and the world stands still, like time obeys only what we feel. No noise outside can break this space. When I'm lost in your warm embrace, your voice like honey in the dark, lighting up every corner of my heart. And I don't need anything more than this, just your love and a stolen kiss.
stay right here, don't let go. Move with me nice and slow.
Every breath feels brand new when I'm close to you. It's a midnight slow burn, you and me, wrapped in this chemistry. Every touch, every sigh feels like stars up in the sky. No distance, no goodbye, just your love in my life. We don't need to pretend, let this moment never end.
Yeah, girl, your energy too pure, too right. Turn my darkness into light. And every time you call my name, I swear I feel the same flame. We don't talk much, we understand. Hearts communicating hand to hand. And I could live inside this vibe, forever staying by your side. Late nights, driving with no destination, just loving deep conversation. You make simplicity feel divine, like your soul was meant for mine. No fear when you're close to me. This is where I'm meant to be. Every second feels so true, just me and you. It's a midnight slow burn, you and me, wrapped in this chemistry. Every touch, every sigh feels like stars up in the sky. No distance, no goodbye, just your love in my life. We don't need to pretend, let this moment never end. Hold me like the night won't break.
'cause what we share can't fade away. It only grows stronger every day. It's in the night smoke line, you and me, wrapped in this chemistry. Every touch, every side feels like the stars up in the sky. No distance, no goodbye, just your love in my life. Oh, we don't need to pretend. Let this moment never end. Slow fade into morning light, but your love still feels right. Forever in this rhythm we stay. Night turning into day. Yeah. Soft love in the air tonight. Don't move away, stay close. You stepping in the room, change tone, like I was never meant to be alone. Every glance you give pulls me in, like the night just let love begin. No pressure, no complicated lines, just your energy matching mine. And I swear the stars align every time your hand holds mine. You don't need to say too much, your silence already feels like trust. And I could stay right here all night, in your calm, in your light. Don't let this feeling fade, stay with me, don't hesitate. Every second feels so real, you know exactly how I feel. Got along with you, nowhere else I'd rather be. Lost inside your energy, every heartbeat, every sign says you were always meant to be mine. Got along with you, slow and true. Everything I feel is you, no pretending, no disguise, just love reflected in your eyes. Girl, you bring peace to my wildest side, turn my chaos into pride. And every time you call my name, it never ever feel the same. Late night talks under city glow, no rush, just letting feelings show. You make simple moments shine like forever was designed. And I don't need a crowded place, just your voice and your embrace. You turn ordinary nights into something that feels so right. No distance when you're near, every doubt disappear. What we got too strong to break, every move that we make. Along with you, nowhere else I'd rather be. Lost inside your energy, every heartbeat, every sign says you were always meant to be mine. Along with you, slow and true. Everything I feel is you, no pretending, no disguise, just love reflected in your eyes. Hold me close, don't let it end. You're my lover and my friend. In your arms I understand, love was always part of the plan. And if the world go cold outside, I still want you by my side. 'Cause what we built is something real, something only hearts can. Get along with you, nowhere else I'd rather be. Lost inside your energy, every heartbeat, every sign says you were always meant to be mine. Hey, yeah. Get along with you, slow and true. Everything I feel is you, no pretending, no disguise, just love reflected in your eyes. Soft fade into the night we made. But this feeling never fades, just you and me, endlessly. Got along with you, naturally. Yeah. Late night energy, just us, no distractions. City quiet but my heart is loud. When you're near I lose the crowd. Every moment slows right down when your love comes around. You look at me and I understand, No need for perfect plans, just the rhythm of your breath pulling me deeper than the rest.
Soft lights dancing on your face got me frozen in this place, and I don't wanna break this spell. Only you know me this well.
Stay right here, don't move away. I like the way you make me stay. Every second feels so right in the calm of the night.
It's a nocturnal link up, you and I,
Underneath this endless sky,
every touch, every spark
lights up the dark. No rush, no need to pretend. Let this feeling never end. You and me, we align like stars in perfect design.
Girl, you smooth like midnight rain, wash away all of my strain. And when you say my name so low, I swear the whole world starts to slow.
You bring peace into my vibe, something I can't describe. Every second with you near makes my vision crystal clear. Late drives, windows down, just us. No need for excess fuss.
You the calm in my storm, the place where I feel warm.
No distance in this space, every worry gets erased. What we got feels so true, only me and you.
It's a nocturnal link up, you and I,
Underneath this endless sky,
every touch,
every spark lights up the dark. No rush, no need to pretend. Let this feeling never end. You and me, we align like stars in perfect design.
hold me close, don't let it fade.
In your arms I wanna stay.
Every heartbeat, every breath,
Feels like nothing else is left.
and if the morning comes too fast,
I still want this feeling to last.
cause what we got right here tonight,
Feels too real, feels too right.
it's a nocturnal link up,
You and I, underneath this endless sky,
every touch,
every spark lights up the dark. No rush, no need to pretend. Let this feeling never end. You and me, we align like stars in perfect design.
so fade.
Into the dawn, but the feeling still lives on. Just you and me, so free in this nocturnal harmony.
Yeah. No rush, no pressure,
Just love in motion.
You come around and the air feels warm, like everywhere it starts to transform. I don't need anything loud or fast, just a moment I know will last. Your eyes speak clearer than words ever could, got me feeling understood. And I don't fight what's pulling me in. This is where something real begins. Soft rhythm moving through the night, everything with you feels right. Like the world outside don't exist, only your touch, only this. So don't rush what we feel, let it grow slow and real. Every second with you near erases every fear. Take your time, stay close to me. This is how love should be. No hurry, no disguise, just truth inside our eyes. Take your time, feel the flame. Nothing here feels the same. You and me, so aligned, moving slow, heart and mind. Girl, you bring balance to my soul, make my broken pieces whole. And every time you look my way, I find new words I can't say.
Late nights cruising through the rain. Yeah, you take away all my pain. No need for luxury or gold. Your love already makes me whole. Yeah, you're the calm inside my storm, the place where I feel warm. And I don't care what comes tomorrow. If your heart I still can't follow. No fear when you hold me tight. Everything just feels right. What we got too pure to break. Every move that we make. Take your time, stay close to me. if the night turns into day, I still want you to stay. Cause what we built in this space, no time can ever erase. Take your time, stay close to me. Hey, this is how love should be. No hurry, no disguise, just truth inside our eyes. Take your time, feel the flame. Nothing here feels the same. You and me, so aligned, moving slow, heart and mind. Slow fade, but love remains through the sunshine and the rain. Just you and me, endlessly. Take your time with me.
Yeah, just stay right here with me. No ending, no worries.
You walked in and the silence turned soft, like every heavy thought just got lost. I don't know how you do what you do, but suddenly I'm safe with you.
The room feels warm when you're close,
Like you're the one I needed most. Every glance, every breath you take feels like a chance I don't wanna waste.
I never thought love could feel this calm,
Like a quiet song in your arms, and now I don't want it to end. Just stay as more than a friend. Don't let this moment slip away. I want you here every day. No fear, no doubt inside, just you here by my side. It could be forever, you and me. That's all I really need to be. Every touch, every sign feels like you were always mine. It could be forever, stay close tonight. Everything with you feels right. No goodbye, no apart, just you living in my heart.
girl, you bring peace into my life, turn every wrong into right. And every time you call my name, it never ever feels the same.
Late nights talking till we fade, and the promises we made. Nothing fancy, nothing loud, just love standing strong and proud.
You make ordinary feel like gold, a story only we can hold. And I don't need the world outside if you're right here by my side.
You're the calm I never knew, the missing piece I found in you. And now I see so clearly through. Every day leads back to you. No distance when you're near, every moment crystal clear. What we have is something true, just me and you. It could be forever, you and me. That's all I really need to be. Every touch, every sign feels like you were always mine. It could be forever, stay close tonight. Everything with you feels right. No goodbye, no apart, just you living in my heart. Me like time doesn't move, like we've got nothing to lose. Every second in your arms feels like healing every arm. And if the world turns cold outside, I still want you by my side.
It's what we built here tonight.
Feels too real, feels too right. It could be forever, you and me. That's all I really need to be. Every touch, every sign feels like you were always mine. It could be forever, stay close tonight. Everything with you feels right. No goodbye, no apart, just you living in my heart. Slow fade into morning light, but you still feel so right. Just a love that won't disappear. It could be forever here.
Yeah. Soft lights,
Quiet hearts,
it's just us tonight. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Soft lights, quiet hearts, it's just us tonight. You stepping and the air turns warm, like I've been waiting for your phone. Every second starts to slow when you're the only one I know. Your eyes are pulling me in deep, into a place I wanna keep. No fear, no doubt, no disguise, just honesty inside your eyes.
And suddenly the world feels small, like nothing else can matter at all.
When your voice is in my ear, every worry disappears. Stay close, don't walk away, I want this feeling every day. No rush, just let it grow, in a rhythm soft and slow. It's electric love after midnight. Everything with you feels right. Every touch, every sign feels like your heart is mine. Electric love after midnight, holding on until the light. No beginning, no end, just you and me again.
Girl, you bring peace into my mind, a real connection not defined. Every time you call my name,
It never ever sounds the same.
late night drives with nowhere to go, just letting feelings start to show. No luxury could take your place, nothing compares to your embrace.
You make silence feel alive, like something I can't describe. And every moment we create feels like something built by fate. You are calm inside my storm, the place where I feel warm and I don't need anything more. You're the one I've been searching for. No distance in this space, every fear gets replaced. What we have is something true, just me and you. It's electric love after midnight. Everything with you feels right. Every touch, every sign feels like your heart is mine. Electric love after midnight, holding on until the light. No beginning, no end, just you and me again. Hold me close, don't let it fade. In your arms I wanna stay. Every heartbeat, every breath feels like nothing else is left. And if the morning comes too soon, you're still my favorite tune. Cause what we built in this night feels too real, feels too right. It's electric love after midnight. Everything feels right. Every touch, every sign feels like your heart is mine. Electric love after midnight, holding on until the light. No beginning, no end, just you and me again. Slow fading to the dawn, but the feeling still lives on. Just you and me.
Endlessly